Hi friends, today I'm sharing three very beautiful nice looks with sweatpants. To be honest, sweatpants are the best friend in my life, in my wardrobe, because to do errands, to running after kids, to do park activities, to do all those chores, sweatpants are very comfortable, very chic, and I really enjoy wearing those. So I just want to share these three looks, which is casual, classic and chic looks. So I hope you will enjoy. Let's get started. So the first look that I'm sharing here is a classic basic white crew neck t-shirt, which is 100% organic cotton. It's from Everlane, so I'm using that t-shirt with my black sweatpants. If those sweatpants are available, I would link down in the bottom or the similar one. So I'm wearing those two pieces, and I'm wearing one black baseball hat and white sneakers and those pieces. So this whole look looks very beautiful, very comfortable and very casual. You can do so many activities in this outfit, and this is my personal favorite. I really enjoy wearing this outfit. So the second outfit that I'm sharing with you is this one. This is very beautiful. It is called classic outfit because it has all those classic pieces in this ensemble. This is white, beautiful white shirt, which is not a normal white shirt. It's like silk shirt, which is super soft to touch, and it has beautiful embroidery or lace detail in up front. And I'm wearing that one, and the same black sweatpants, and with pointed toe classic sleek black boots. So this whole outfit gives me such a classic look, and I can wear this outfit any occasion. This is nice, beautiful, comfortable, up a notch, elevated, very beautiful look. The third look is chic category. I'm sharing chic look with sweatpants, and I'm sharing two looks in this category because I believe if somebody do not want to wear boots, they can wear heels with that. In this look, I'm wearing basic white bodysuits. You know, bodysuits are very handy if you wanna look very nicely tucked in look and very beautiful. Basic black and white bodysuits really works in this category. So I'm wearing white bodysuit, which is V shape, that elongates our body and gives us slimmer look. So with that, I'm wearing black sweatpants, and I'm wearing edgy boots, which is very nice to have and comfortable. They have like very beautiful sole, so I do not need to worry about if I need to walk miles and miles. I can walk in those shoes, so beautiful and comfortable. So I'm wearing baseball cap again in this look. The whole look looks very chic and very beautiful. I love to wear this look. And the other look that I'm sharing with you in the same category is all those pieces are the same bodysuit and sweatpant, but I'm wearing that with white basic heels. So this look gives a different kind of look. All those items are the same, but I just only change the heel, and that gives totally a different, beautiful, chic, fresh look. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you're new here, please consider subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Take care and bye.